Mustapha wawu anase Mustapha onwuye otiase ana ontiase ebusua video we ebe explain bibia dia chew me na woka say de Mustapha ebusuafo akakopie ewo eye Asuofia Hemaa na nsem a esi wo na ebusua ese woni ensa woka kire hanu Ghana nsem TV edi am jeso oye promise ebusua enkotie nsem a Asuofia Hemaa de toja ewi a behwe se Mustapha no mpoti ase anase we film ebusua yenkomra
ya di shade kure ni wanyene bakuro sankanyene ne beti pigire na kuro bi enti wonu ane ba ne kuro fo beti ba kodi ya fa ni say o mu wura tem anya bia ne twafo so o ma ne ba so ye de men e wa ha wo kokko na gina ni enti o meti mi ahwe enti anya tira bi bia Asuofua wo ya ne apachawo na mo me de ni be ka sama ba be yi mo na mo na nyame asio Samimi banya ni kapa na me sadi ka because me sabe ka so ka so bi oh ye me sa de no na me wo anfie wo kro na de mo a wo ye na de mo na me wa ti anfie wo ta ma wo de ko brebe eti samimi banya ni kapa na me sa edi kan no a e capture sasa de ko pa nka ye si wo bia me ka me kire mo kasa de ko pa na ka mo na mo ka kire no sako kwa feliso beto spasa so pani so dia sawa ebeju na wo na wayale aboda fo ahe de kuta 100 fo ya be pesa bi kusa mo busuafo wo dia ko fa ya na wo se aye na unsa dia fa aye na unsa ha de wo kef hwe ma hwe video ni bia ne wo fa bi di bai bi se wo fa ni a o se o ho anu o ho anu ababo o kwa ofo no where you be any na tabo e woni masam no of course where you be any na tabo santi ni na wo ni na tabo ade na wo yesa masa be ka so ko ya papa titi me mo ya ne de wi anya pa be ni e ya hye asase wura udi ye no asandi ye na ye kra santi fo wura na adi atampa nyanya ya say ye ya da so tutuma ye bia na sase wura we mu nyansa kwatraka akwam wa ti bia kwatraka akwam ukọ ofo wa kwatraka akwam na obi ya de apa ba bi ya hyehyɛ ne ya
ebusua watch the video no now maybe am pese pick your point no every no number 1 Asuofia Hemaa kan sem you say abro ono hu video no sambre no na o menhia himfie na senka onna ne nsade kan so Mustapha mu a sambe nkomato adaka o kan ni ba bia no sasem o kan yi se wotitwi na wotitwi ase a ebe che o se Mustapha no oti ase zaza nka owu a nka onka sasem no enti no nwu ye nti e no ka sasem no eno ti se unhu se obi na mabonten e ka che o se Mustapha afiri mu na denden a sa nipa no sinihu se enye no kre ne nyina ne se they are trying to find ways and means to blame someone for what the guy did. Even though I've seen a letter be at the free one hospital, I was Asuofia Hemaa, Omochiomu said the guy no mentally disabled, naturally said. Now dream no, and that's our mental disorder. Yes, I can mental disorder. I just now dream never be anything and farmer no. So I understand, and I don't know how true that's a year we near letter never bontina is. But the truth is that the guy is alive and he's still at the hospital. I think he's doing well. So if Utiwo baby say Mustapha Frimu and I say anything, I am saying that Mustapha and Tiasia a false news, but sad news no edigu. It's say an attempt by some people just to find a way and manipulate people's mindset and make people feel like the guy is dead so that they can use the opportunity to insult our kingdom and our king. And that's what some of these people are trying to do. And you know, the most painful part, they say, I'm the politics crying as I'm so aquarium. That's another way, because there is a video from this guy, I think 2 days ago, who was even saying that Oka say, who say, and that's what they say, says the Odi Atema, and your bonnie before person just Odi Atema and your bonnie because your chap on then. So he was saying all these stuff to prove a point that even if the guy did what he did, no, it wasn't wrong. That's what he was trying to prove. So regardless of all these things, no, it's an attempt and can person we use so now, you know, they manipulated the public so that about to say, oh, the panel crown, I'm not going to be running from and all those stuff. But thank God that he is still alive and is okay, nothing is wrong with him. And I'm very sure saying Chibiano, every crown now, meaning somebody in the hospital, and that's what hospital were there. But the most important part is the guy is not dead, as these pages on TikTok and other media kind of saying social media pages no air canon. That is the only shooter a was seminal. That is the shooter a was seminal. So any false information be a number one team be claiming that the guy is no more, and I say we be now forget it and you're not crying could be anymore. 2025 I was say a boss anti-man by now you make sure say yeah makwa say be no be kwa say mo fan so we are protecting our own. You can also protect your own. You can also protect your own, and that's it. Let's protect our own. You can also protect your own. So ebusia better as we to boss here na utie how you can ansem TV ebusia me das ebusia me say 2025 yeah ma obi akwan e ma ne fa santiman enimu nya form me maame e ya chimney what you say e na papa ya santini it won't say me no me 2 million no do what you say like as a unam a feel proud what you say cause maame e your chini wo papa ya santini unam like you feel proud when say otumfo say the yere lady Julia oye achimni what you say no opem so nso ya santini nti na esa na ye ne asante achim no ye namo a bro ye feel it say Ghana nyina ye dia I don't know e na nkofo bi ntia say no but untimi ni ye nyepe untimi ni asante man untimi ni ye nyepe sana na abo na mwaka no say sit down. Ashantis control everything in Ghana. Ashanti Kingdom is one of the biggest kingdom in Africa, in the whole West Africa. Ashanti Kingdom and the biggest kingdom in the whole of West Africa. I don't know and ultimate debate here no correct. Ashanti Kingdom is the powerful and the strongest, the unbeatable kingdom in the whole West Africa. Kingdom be anywhere. Kingdom be Nigeria kingdom be no kingdom be anywhere. Enti me say to do 25 year you win ye bo asante ho ban ye makwase bia kwan mo no fa asante nye form now the wa also ye bema no a also ye bema oji hu di so ye bema o also wo yi bema eda wase na wo hwa etuatu mu and also ye oba sebi oba bi ewa no fa phone si wonim na be di asante man ya na se be kaseti asante man da be kaseti ochi man wo sa nipa no